Today I'm stuck with.
Hello. Hi.
I'm stuck in the middle of fucking nowhere with a bunch of my friends. We're literally lost on Halloween.
I do not know. I can't.
This is why.
You have like a GPS. I don't have a GPS.
You know what?
Saved.
I would use Pokemon Go, but you all laughed. I'm missing a fucking earbud. Yeah.
We should call her mom and tell her where we are, then she can pick us up.
Let's go to the end of the street. Shut up! Guys, wait up for me. Guys, wait for me. I can't see all the guys. So I'm here with Harry Potter.
Okay, we are super lost right now. We are like really lost. We gotta find my house. My little brother's getting super scared, and he's only 8 years old.
We have Harry Potter, Papyrus, Evan, Diablo, and the zombie. And we have a fucking Asgore.
Look at me. Look at me. If we die tonight, I want you to know, subscribe to Dead Drift.
If we die tonight, I just want to tell you, fuck you, Mom. Fuck you, Buster. Fuck you, Centennial. I fucking hate all of you. I wish I would burned this place down sooner. I want to burn the fucking house down.
Let me rub it.
No, I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it.
Robert, what time is it?
What time is it? I can tell.
Robert, I need to show you something. Robert, turn on your video.
No! If we're gonna die, all they find is this phone. They're gonna need to know where the fuck we've ended up.
Robert.
No! Running!
Oh my gosh, it's Pennywise!
No, it's not.
Oh yes, I know where we are.
Okay, we're finally not lost.
We know where we are, folks.
This is rare uncut footage.
Okay, we have finally found where we are.
But
Still subscribe to Dead Drift.
we still don't know where the fuck to go. It's a lot brighter in real life. Oh my gosh, there's a dog.
That's a cute dog.
May I pet your dog?
Got my dog. I don't even know whose dog this is. I just found it.
I'm still gonna pet it.
Come on, no dinosaur.
Oh shoot. My foot's falling apart. Guys, wait! Okay, so I'm about my foot's falling off. Oh god. This is spooky. Well, not really. Weren't we here earlier, guys? Weren't we here earlier?
Guys, it's Tinkle!
Okay, can you guys give me some?
There's some on the ground.
I'm recording this shit!
Dude, okay, Robert, we just found a take 2 thing and we just took the whole thing. Look at this!
No, I give up.
Robert, I got you some candy. Candy.
There's no more.
Here you go, Robert. Have some. Wait. Never tell her. I don't think there's hair. Okay.
Wait!
Wait for your brother.
This has basically been all night.
Robert, your shoe came apart.
I know, I honestly don't fucking care. I'm not gonna shut up. I just don't fucking care anymore. I physically can't afford to care anymore. Da 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 da. Look at that. See, my friends left me to roll back in the group. I swear if I fucking die, if I die because you guys, y'all are gonna get fucking blamed. You see my, no I can't, but my ears are blowing in the wind. It's an Asgore.
We're being left behind.
I don't care. I honestly don't fucking care.
I'm gonna haunt you in the afterlife.
This is friendship. This is my friendship. Don't even try to kill me. Yeah, my friends are all the way over there. You guys are bad fucking friends. No, my mom will pick you up. The sad thing is, I've dreamt about this. I've literally fucking dreamt about this. Here, flashlight. You guys left us behind! I can't even take off my foot. You guys left us behind.
Hey, go.
No, I'm good. My heart's... I feel like I'm having a heart attack.
Oh my gosh, I love the pumpkin. Is it?
I feel like I'm having... Okay, let's not run.
Hey, you guys are in.
No, I physically can't. It feels like I'm having a fucking heart attack.
Okay, guys, let's just walk. We have to walk all the way to my house because you guys can get kids. Right.
And also, it feels like I'm having a fucking heart attack right now.
What are you gonna find?
I feel like I'm having a fucking heart attack, Gabe. If I die, I ain't fucking fine.
Let's go to Luke. Camera, please.
No.
Make that noise. We can't go there again, man. That's not how trick-or-treat works.
Oh, so we found where we finally fucking were. Finally.
Turn off your video, man. Sorry, guys.
No,
This is it. We're done.
I'm not done.
Prepare to die, everybody.
Too late. They only know the fucking truth.
You gotta point it at your face.
I'm recording this entire fucking trip because if this is one memory I want to have, yeah. Basically, my friends have left me behind in the group, and it feels like I'm having a fucking heart attack. Oh shit! Yeah, I feel like I'm actually fucking dying. Shit. Fuck. I feel like I'm dying. Guys.